Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Redmi 13c device. The first step you have to do is, please open the dial application, and then you can enter the following code. Well, after that you can choose the first option, phone information. Well, after that in this section you can set the network to LTE only. That way, the 4G network on your device is locked and active in any network condition. However, the consequence of activating this feature is your device may not be able to receive or make calls or message. However, you will still be able to perform call operations when you return it to this initial mode. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.